Welcome back to a very rainy day in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Oh, wait a moment. I think we have the first Lambo. Yeah, the first Lambo of the day. Oh, nice. It's a Performante. Yep, as you can see, it's raining a bit too much. But hey, we have another Lambo, so it's fine. Ooh, okay. That's a bold spec on this Performante. Nice. Well. Okay, V12. No way, what a spec! Yo, we have a Sterrato, and I think it's the launch spec. Very nice. Okay, blue Urus S. Looks like we have another Revuelto. Oh yeah, a Revuelto. Okay, it's a beautiful orange spec, but did you hear the startup? Oh my god. What do we have? Oh, okay, there it goes. I think we have a V10. Wow, okay, STO. Okay, let's see. Okay. Whoa, nice spec on the Technica. Oh, I think they're gonna shut down the gates very soon. I knew it. Oh hell yeah, another Revuelto in a beautiful yellow spec. Okay, he looks kinda confused. I think that's the wrong gate. Yeah, told you! Okay, well, at least we get another look at this beautiful Revuelto. Okay, something else is coming out. V10, okay. Ooh, okay, nice spec. Okay, another Revuelto. White spec. Ooh, yellow calipers. Okay, interesting one. Come on, please, let us see the V12. Nah. Oh, okay, another orange Urus. This time a Urus S. I think we have a Performante, let's see. Yeah! Guys, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's getting worse and worse by each minute. Oh no, come on, what a bad timing! That's the camouflage Hybrid Urus prototype, and there is something else behind, I think. Let's see... Oh, okay, another Revuelto, wow! That's a pretty sick combo, right? Oh, watch out, we have something coming back. This should be the red STO. Yes, there she is, with the silver wheels, the black contrast details, and the amazing V10 engine. Hey, nice. Okay, the orange Urus S is coming back. Another V12. Ooh. And there it goes, another white Revuelto. Wow. Oh, okay. Is this a Technica? And I also think this is grigio telesto. What a nice color. Normal Urus with Italian plates. Probably a press car or a high-level employee. But hey, at the end the spec on this one is pretty good. What do you think? Oh! Oh, yes! Ah, the V12 is so good! What's going on? Oh, okay, there it goes. Oh, yes! Oh, wait! Okay, another Urus, Urus S. I really like the wheels design. Okay, we have allowed V10! No! Okay, there it is. Ooh, okay, the beautiful, beautiful spec on the Technica. Nice, black wheels, orange calipers, and this beautiful purple color on the body. Nice. Oh, another Urus with Italian plates, so another employee probably? Okay, it's dark blue and it's the older model, the OG Urus from 2017. Ooh, nice, time for another Revuelto. That's such an interesting shade of orange. It fits the Revuelto design kinda well. What is it gonna be? Oh, okay, yours. Orange calipers and black body on a very, very simple Urus S. Oh, yellow Urus S. Okay. Not that special, right? It's now definitely raining a bit too much, guys. But guess what? We have more Lambos. Looks like we have another Urus, okay, in silver, and it's a Performante, okay. Let's see, we probably have a V10. Yes, okay. Ooh, okay, golden wheels and green body on the Technica, nice. Okay, another yellow Urus, and it's still a Urus S. Okay, another Revuelto is getting back. And I think it's the white one with the yellow calipers. Yes, I knew it! Nice. Very simple, but yeah, the interesting spec. Okay, Urus. Ooh, nice, bold spec for the Technica. This is kinda loud! Interesting choice with the yellow calipers. Okay, yellow Urus. Yellow calipers, black wheels, standard spec. Guys, it's getting worse and worse. Check it out. I mean, even the ducks are a bit confused right now. But I mean, they are so cute. Just as much as a nice Italian V10. Wow, that's a very interesting one. Oh. And it's not alone, I guess, because, yes, yellow Urus. Can you hear it, guys? It's definitely a V12, let's see. Oh, okay, another yellow Revuelto, nice. Let's go! Again, yellow calipers, black wheels, but this time the silver body. And yeah, it's a Performante, so it's way better. Okay, the Technica with the bold spec. And there she goes. Come on, I think we have another V12! Oh hell yeah! Come on, come on, come on, let us hear the engine! Please! Yo! Nice! Ooh, okay, V10. Looks like the other one. I mean, it could very well be the same one as before. Super easy and standard spec, but hey, why should I care? Ooh, Urus Performante! Yeah, those downshifts! Wow, orange really seems a theme today! Nice! Oh, almost missed it, but we have another Revuelto! Oh, I think it's time for a startup. No, not in hybrid mode. I think I'm hearing a Urus. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, it's the old blue one. Oh, okay, this should be... Yes, the bold Technica. Once again, it's like the fourth time we see this one today. Yep, same exact spec as the first one, so... Hey! But hey guys, with that car gone, I think it's time to get back home for me, because it's raining a bit too much for me and also my equipment. You know, water is not very good for the cameras. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed all the cars and, well, my video of course, and see you next week!